Hello everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I want to share the prizes that I won from Granny Dee's Moss Stitch Challenge. You could have knocked me over with a feather when Granny Dee pulled my name out of the little pot that she had with all our names. I watched the video twice, so thank you so much, Granny Dee. And I won with this Moss Stitch baby jacket, well, doll jacket, and the hat. I really, I was so proud. I can't begin to tell you. And then when she told me the prizes that I won, I thought I'd only won something off Granny Dee. But so I'm going to show you what I won off Granny Dee. I had the choice of yarn. And this is the yarn. I got 2 of these and I got a lovely card off Granny Dee. And it is Summer Nights Lion brand, and it's a super fine lace weight which will make a fabulous shawl. And what's the colorway? She did Tropical Punch. So thank you so much, Granny Dee, and thank you for the little card as well. Excuse the crinkling, sorry. This is the card. You're a blessing, so are you, Granny Dee. And she says, congrats, sweet Linda, so happy you won. Your work is amazing. Loved both the cowl and the baby cardigan and hat. Love you lots. God bless you, Granny Dee. So God bless you too, Granny Dee. You made my day. So that's that. And then Gia from Yarn Nut, I think it is. I won a hook, the Etimo tulip hook, a 5mm, and I won a set of hooks, if I can get into it. Yeah, so I won a set of crochet hooks. So I was really thrilled to that. I couldn't believe the prizes that I won. And then Laura from Crochet Corner, she I won this. She sent me the money to get this this planner, and I picked this because she's got glasses and I actually do wear glasses. And this is where my crochet journey all started, doing doilies. So I thought, when I saw it, I thought that is just, I just couldn't not buy it. And I'll put the link to the planner in the description box below. And thank you, Laura. And then from Coco, from Cocktail and Crochet with Coco, I won this lovely no sew pocket shawl. So thank you, Coco. And then from Daniel and Dana, the Wanderlust Crocheter, she sent me money via PayPal. And then Daniel from Paw Pal's Yarn, Paw Pal Yarns, or Paw Pal's Yarn. Anyway, I'll put this description below. I got a voucher of him. So with the money I got from Dana, I bought myself some yarn from Daniel, using the 15% I had. And this is called Kingfisher sock set. So I got that, and I got a nice thank you card with it is called the Paw Ply Yarn Company. And I got that. So that was off Daniel. And I think, oh, and then I got a pattern off Dana with I think I got two patterns, and I got some money, and I bought myself, with the money off Dana, I bought myself a microphone so that when I'm on lives people can hear me better. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who sent me prizes for winning Granny Dee's moss stitch challenge. A great big heartfelt thank you to Granny Dee for hosting the challenge too. And I think that's all. I just wanted to say thank you really to everybody who donated to Granny Dee's challenge. I think I've still got one prize to come, but I will when that arrives I'll mention that in the in my future podcast when it arrives, because it's coming from America. So thank you to Julie, who I know has sent it. It's still not arrived, but thank you anyway. And I love you and leave you. Take care, stay safe, be kind to you. Take care. Bye for now.